Welcome back to the channel, guys. We are out again. Well, only me this time. We're down at Hamble Rice. There's the slipway just there. It's a bit of a different day today. I'm going out with fellow YouTuber Fat Tommo goes boating. So I'm just waiting for him. He's going to be pulling up on the pontoon just here. That should be good. And just wait for him to arrive. Here he is. So we'll be picked up in a minute. Right, made it onto the boat. Here's Tommo.
Hello.
Say hello, everyone.
Hello, everyone.
So we're just heading out now to where are we going, Tommo?
We're going to go out the Hamble and go back up Southampton Water towards Hythe to see what the others are doing, and then eventually we're going to end up on the Isle of Wight, I believe.
Sounds good fun. Sounds good fun. Let's get on with it. So we've just had some communication with the other guys that we're meeting. Doesn't look like we're going up the Hamble anymore, or up Southampton Waters, and we're possibly going to meet at Cowshot, which is just over there. So we're just looking around trying to find the guys. Should be about 4 or 5 boats, but no one in sight at the moment.
No, not at all. Yes, they're over there by the red buoy.
Oh yeah, I can just about see him. Yeah, can just about see him.
Multiple boats there.
Yep. We're going to head over there then.
It shows how hard to spot they are, doesn't it?
So how fast are we going, Tommo?
28 knots.
28 knots?
Oh, yeah.
And there we go, I can just, you can see the other boys in front.
Six boats together.
Right, we just stopped for a second. We've got Stephen over here, and looks like some of the other guys are just heading off now. We're just going to get some wash.
How you doing, Chris?
Not too bad, not too bad.
Right, we're heading to Newtown Creek, Steve. We're heading to Newtown Creek. And we're going to see what Solent's like heading there. It's not too bad, we'll carry on to Yarmouth. Okay. If it's stopping, we'll head back to house.
So if you didn't hear that, I think we're going to Yarmouth in a minute. So we're just arranging what we're going to do. Go and get something to eat. And so that'll be quite a bit of a trek. So let's hope it's calm out there. Okay, Tommo is going to lead the way. Call the other boats around.
Reluctantly.
Reluctantly. Here we go.
You all ready then? Yeah. It's that way, isn't it? It's done, isn't it? It's that way, isn't it? That way. Yeah. I do know where I'm going, really, honestly. Plus, I've got it on the chart here, so that will be all right. Woohoo!
Slammy, but not too bad, is it?
No, that's not too bad, but we're going into the wind well this way. We will be, so it's the worst way,
Okay.
and the way back will be better. Catch him up.
Yeah, go on. Whoa. Whoa.
Got this watch.
That is fast. What's the top speed on this then, Tommo?
In flat weather with not a lot of fuel, would just be about a 55 mile an hour.
Crikey.
But loaded with fuel and a few people, more like 50.
Wow.
So the boat can do it, it's just whether we can do it.
So how far do you reckon we got now?
We're about halfway to Newtown.
And we're going to the creek?
Yes.
Right. Right, we've almost made it to Newtown Creek. There's one boat just ahead of us, and the rest are going to join us. So I don't know what we're doing after that. We'll have to ask Tommo that one.
I don't know really, go somewhere and get some lunch, that's about as far as I know.
Sounds like a good idea.
Maybe Yarmouth or maybe back Cowes Way, I don't know.
Right, okay. Right, that's what we're going to stop for a little while and let the others catch up.
There's always one, isn't there?
Here they all come. Right, everyone's turned up. And just when everything was going so swimmingly, this happened.
Your tank's leaking.
Oh, you're joking.
Got petrol in the bilge.
With Anthony now a floating bomb, we did what any mariner would do. Followed him back to Cowes at a distance. Right, we're headed into Cowes now. Everyone's slowing down, so we're going to get something to eat. All the guys are just behind us. There we go, there they all are. Here's the captain.
Captain Calamity, yeah?
There's the old big red funnel ferry. Captain's at work here. We're just mooring up, so going to get the boat all tied up, and then we'll go and get something to eat. Perfect. Good job, Tommo.
Luck. What's that called?
Look,
Caught around my key. Glad you got that on film. Don't put your rope by your radio, guys,
Yeah.
because it gets caught on the cable.
there you go. It's nice and quiet around here as well. And the other guys are just starting to moor up. Right, we're all on the Isle of Wight at the moment, so the guys are just here. We're just going to go and try and find something to eat, and yeah, we'll see you later.
Straight throughs in there, but you still have the butterflies in there though, with straight throughs as well.
Well, I don't think there's much left of them. I think they're a bit.
Well, they shouldn't be in there, up on the top of the risers.
Yeah.
That's what's designed to stop those.
Just had our fish and chips, and we're going to be heading back on the boats in a minute. So the guys are all behind me here, and yeah, we'll head out in a minute. We'll see you on the boat. Right, we've just finished having fish and chips, but it's a nice little chip shop and nice little town up there. Now we're heading up the
River Medina,
Medina.
up past Cowes, which is still here.
Sun's come out, so it's lovely. How far up does this river go, Tommo?
I'm not exactly sure on miles, but I think it's about 6 miles or so.
Okay.
So right up basically to the centre of the island.
Right.
Just about, or that's what I see Newport as. I'm sure there'll be some people that would disagree with that.
Okay.
But yeah, so it runs all the way up, or runs south
Excellent.
into the middle.
I've never been up here, so it'd be interesting to see it. Right, we've got to the top of the Medina and we're now heading back. Tommo's doing a great job being captain.
Hands free.
Right, so we're going to head down here and then I don't know what we're doing next.
I assume we're heading back, but I'm not certain. So yeah, we'll
Okay.
find out when we get there.
Okay, looks like we're just stopping for a second. See what's going on. What's going on, Tommo?
I've no idea. I think we've just stopped for the sake of stopping. But,
Okay.
we'll have to see, won't we?
Well, we're just coming to the end of the Medina and back out onto the Solent. So we'll probably be picking up speed where the end of the speed limit is somewhere up there, the 6-knot speed limit, and then we'll be heading across back to Hamble.
Nice and comfy here.
Right, we are back on the pontoon. We've had a lovely day out with all the lads over to the Isle of Wight and everything. It's really good. Thanks, Tommo, for inviting me out. And,
No problem, Chris. No problem.
Yeah, and just remember, Tommo goes boating. That's Tommo's channel. I'll put the link in the description so you can have a look at that. And yeah, we'll see you on the next adventure. Bye-bye.
Bye.